Alright, so we just had a med alert. I have cleared it. It was accidental. But the pages are still on the pager itself. So now we need to clear the pager. And this is done by, you first hit the power button right here, and to get this screen. And then you hit the pause. Well, see, it went clear, so I had to press the power button again. Bring that up, and then we press the pause button. Get this screen, press the forward button. This is delete all. Press the pause button. It'll ask if delete all, and then the forward deletes everything. And that's how you clear the pager.